It says, the graph below shows the number of students who can choose each class for their fine arts credit in high school. Use this graph below to answer questions 1 through 3. What percentage of the students chose to take theater as their fine arts credit? Okay, so theater is, it doesn't even have a percentage. What percentage of students? It gives you the number. So it gives you the number, and it's 120 out of what? So I would do this as a percent proportion. I would say 120 out of, what'd y'all say? 800 equals X out of 100. If you do that, remember the percent proportion that is over a percent over 100. Remember, you can scale. So this is divided by 8 right here. So if we divide 120 by 8, we would get 15. I'm sorry, I should have wrote a 5 there. I don't know why. I don't even know why I wrote that 0. Okay, so we would get 15. So the percentage is 15%, which is number 1. Hopefully y'all got that. Okay, number 2. How many more? How many more means subtract. Students are in other classes combined than art. So other classes besides art. So choir, theater, and band is 720 minus art, which is 80. So you should have got 640. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. Which statement is not supported by the graph? So this is more what you might see on something like a STAR test or something. Which statement is not? 3 times as many students take theater than choir. Okay. So choir and theater, is it 3 times? Yes.
Wouldn't you just add the total of choir, theater, and art? I mean, band.
I did.
But then why would you subtract 80 from it?
How many more? How many more of this than in art? Okay. Okay. So coming back, 3 times as many take theater than choir. Is that true? Yes, it's true. So it is supported by the graph. The same number of students take theater as do choir and arts combined. So choir and art combined is 120, and that's 120. So that's true also. So that is supported. Okay. Okay, 75% of the students will take bands. Okay, is 560 75% of 800? Okay, what percentage is it? 70. Okay, and then D, twice as many students will take art as choir. Well, that's obviously true. So we are there. So we're on letter choice C. Okay. This is the second graph. It says use with questions 4 through 6. About how many more? So about how many more means subtract. Students as Mr. Williams have than Miss Green. Okay, he has 120. Williams has 120 minus Miss Green, which is 60-ish. So I would do letter choice G there. Number 5. Okay, about what percentage of students have either Mr. Jones or Miss Taylor? Okay, so Mr. Jones is 90 students. Mrs. Taylor is 90 students. So we would add those together because they're both, it's talking about both. So that equals 180 out of how many total students?
360.
360. Well, that's half of the students, right?
Yes.
So 50% of the students are in either one of those teachers. If Miss Jones, 3 math classes per day, if Mr. Jones teaches 3 math classes per day, what is the closest to his average class size? Okay, well, Mr. Jones has 90 kids. If you divide that by 3, should have 30 kids per class, which is answer choice J. Okay. Number 7. The plot below shows the ages of residents at Bear Creek Assisted Living. The black dots represent the residents of the East Wing. Okay, this was real confusing for some people. Gray dots represent the West Wing. Use the plot to answer. How many more? That means subtract. Students under 84 years old is the West Wing. West Wing is the gray dots.
Wait, students.
It's fine.
Residents.
Residents.
Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, 84. So 84 and below. Here's my cutoff. Right here. This is... Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 there. Then the east wing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Number 8, what percent of the residents are in their 80s? Well, you would do anything in their 80s, which would be right in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Which if you scale up, you can scale up times 5. 35%. Okay. Number 9. What is the range of Cassandra's grades? Box and whisker plot. Remember, your range is your greatest minus your least. So 97 minus 58. Okay. So 39, which is answer choice A. And then number 10, which of the following statements is supported by the box plot? The median of Cassandra's science grades is 82. That is true. Cassandra's mean grade in science is 82. We don't know that by a box plot. Never does it talk about mean in a box plot. Okay? Cassandra's average in class is an 82. No, never does it talk about mean, average, anything like that. Cassandra needs to study more in science. Well, she made a 97, so, but on the 58, could she have studied more? I don't know, but we can't take that away from that. So your answer is answer choice F. Okay, that's where I'm going to stop this one. If you want to look on it, I'll put it up to your Google Classroom tonight. So I'll post it, the rest of the questions.